Hello friends, welcome to today's video where we are going to discuss in detail the 10 most powerful secrets to keep your cat healthy, happy, and full of life. Whether you are a new cat parent or have been living with cats for years, these tips will help you understand your furry friend better and give them the best life possible. Let's begin with secret number 1. The very first secret is proper nutrition. A cat's health begins with what it eats, so always choose high-quality cat food that matches your cat's age, breed, and health condition. Kittens need food rich in protein and healthy fats for growth, while adult cats require balanced nutrition to maintain their energy and prevent obesity. Avoid feeding them human food like chocolate, onions, or too much milk, as these can cause serious health problems. Always provide fresh, clean water in a separate bowl and change it daily. Secret number 2 is regular vet visits and vaccinations. Many cat owners think their indoor cats don't need vaccines, but that's not true. Regular checkups help detect any hidden problems early, and vaccinations protect your cat from dangerous diseases like rabies, feline distemper, and respiratory infections. A healthy cat should visit the vet at least once a year, and senior cats or those with health issues might need more frequent visits. Secret number 3 is keeping the litter box clean. Cats are naturally clean animals, and a dirty litter box can cause them stress or even lead to health problems like urinary infections. Scoop the litter box daily, wash it thoroughly once a week, and keep it in a quiet but accessible location. Remember, a happy cat is a clean cat. Secret number 4 is exercise and mental stimulation. Cats may seem lazy, but they need regular activity to stay fit and avoid boredom. Play with them daily using toys like feather wands, balls, or laser pointers. Create a playful environment with scratching posts, cat trees, or shelves where they can climb and explore. Mental stimulation is just as important as physical exercise, so rotate their toys to keep them curious and engaged. Secret number 5 is grooming and hygiene. Even short-haired cats benefit from regular brushing, which removes loose fur, prevents hairballs, and helps you spot skin problems early. Long-haired cats need more frequent grooming to avoid mats and tangles. Also, check their ears for dirt or infection, trim their nails when necessary, and brush their teeth with cat-safe toothpaste to prevent dental problems. Secret number 6 is home safety. Cats are curious creatures, and their curiosity can lead to danger. Keep toxic plants, cleaning chemicals, and sharp objects out of their reach. Secure windows, balconies, and high places where they might fall. If you have an outdoor area, make sure it is secure from traffic and other animals. Secret number 7 is safe outdoor time. While some cats are happy indoors, others love to explore. If you want your cat to enjoy the outdoors, use a harness and leash for walks, or create a safe outdoor enclosure where they can experience nature without the risks of cars or predators. Secret number 8 is a comfortable resting area. Cats spend a large part of their day sleeping, sometimes up to 16 hours. Provide them with a soft, cozy bed in a quiet spot where they can relax without disturbance. A peaceful sleep area is essential for reducing stress and keeping them happy. Secret number 9 is monitoring your cat's health through behavior. Cats can't tell us when they feel unwell, so watch for signs like changes in appetite, unusual sleeping patterns, hiding, excessive grooming, or sudden aggression. Early detection of these signs can save your cat's life. And finally, secret number 10 is love and attention. No matter how much food, toys, or care you provide, your cat also needs your time, affection, and companionship. Spend quality time petting, talking, and bonding with your cat. A strong emotional connection not only makes your cat happy but also strengthens their overall health and well-being. If you follow these 10 secrets consistently, you will see your cat becoming more active, healthier, and more loving towards you. Remember, a cat's love is special, and by caring for them properly, you're not just giving them a better life, you're also making your own life more joyful and full of warmth.